Welcome to this video on routing tables. Explained simply. Routing tables are a fundamental part of how data moves across networks. What exactly is a routing table? It's a database on every router that contains information about networks. Think of it as a map that guides data packets to their correct destination. In a simple network scenario, two computers send data packets to a router. The router uses its routing table to determine the best path to the internet. As networks grow, they become more complex, and routers face a challenge. Multiple paths may exist between devices. How does the router know which route is the best? The solution is routing metrics. These numerical values represent the cost or priority of a route. A lower metric indicates a better route, so the router selects the path with the lowest cost. When a packet arrives, the router checks the destination IP. It then looks up the corresponding network in the data routing table, which contains the subnet mask, next hop, metric, and interface to forward the packet. The first type of route is directly connected. These are networks that are physically attached to the router, an area automatically known to the routing table. Next are static routes. These are manually configured by an administrator. While simple and predictable, they require manual updates and don't adjust automatically to network changes. Dynamic routes using protocols like RIP, OSPF, or EIGRP are automatic and adaptive. They learn routes, provide auto failover, and automatically find new routes if a path goes down, making them highly scalable. Finally, the default route. This route, represented by 0.0.0.0/0, is used for any destination not explicitly listed in the routing table, typically directing traffic to a default gateway, like the internet. A great analogy for a routing table is GPS navigation. The GPS acts as the database of roads, calculates the best route, and reroutes when blockages occur, similar to how a routing table guides data packets. Routing tables offer several key benefits. They are efficient for fast packet forwarding, resilient with automatic failover, controllable for traffic management, and scalable, supporting everything from small to large network. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this simple explanation of routing tables was helpful.